Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm thecubinggeek, and today will be my fourth Python lesson. It will be about doing math with Python. At the same time, we will be looking at some formatted strings. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing is formatted strings. Now, if you don't know what formatted strings are, well, let me just quickly give a quick example to you. So let's put first in there, and then if we put equal, we're gonna put we're gonna put double quotations, and then we're gonna put my first name. Okay, then we're gonna put my last name. Do the same thing with my last name with my last name. Okay, then we will go all the way down over here, and we will do something like this. Print F, and we put this in. We will then put two things. First, last. We're gonna run the program, and as you can see, it printed my name. That was just a basic formatted strings. We will get into more advanced concepts soon, just like saying hi at the end. That will be in a different episode, but you'll get to more advanced concepts. So like we will start running programs where we put like a guaranteed hi, something like hi Ishan Sarker and welcome aboard, stuff like that. We will start working on those, but this is just a simple formatted strings. The next theme we're going to be talking about is math. We will quickly go through some math like functions or built-in functions, and it will be something like this. So first, math is actually a module in here. Means if we really want to use these, we have to put import math. So I'm gonna put import math. I'm gonna put it here, and then we're gonna put print math print, and we're gonna do something called a round function. We're gonna go 2.9. Actually, no, 2.3. Let's put 2.3. And if we run the program, it's gonna put 2. The reason why I put 2, it's a round function. It means if we put something like 2.9, it's gonna equal 3. It rounds to the nearest whole number. Let's see what happens with 5. It's gonna round to 2. Means unlike actual arithmetic math, this actually rounds down, not up, like arithmetic math. Now let's talk about the other stuff. So like seal, we're gonna put 3.3. And let's see what happens. And here it is, seal. Now normally what the seal function does is normally it rounds it up. Think of this like, let's say your ceiling or your floor. So seal means up, floor means down. So it means 3.3 goes up, 4. 3.3 goes down, which is floor. It's gonna be 3. Let's see now what happens with floor. As you can see, I was correct. was 3. And for y'all's homework, we will be putting these. So go to python.readthedocs.io and type this in. You will find every single format, and then you will have to read all of this. So that's my homework and challenge to y'all, and let's see how you guys do. And a bonus thing I really wanted to do is conditional statements. So it'll be something like this. Let's say we put age equal 23. We put if age greater than 25, and you gotta put a colon. I'll explain why. And then we're gonna put something like print and I don't know, get a job, and then if you want to put different types of condition, we use something else. It's called elif. Okay, hold on. Elif. Age greater than 25. It's gonna be print get a family, and then else print and start a business. I mean, guys, this is so random. I'm not trying to do anything weird, but for now, let's see what happens. And this is what happened. Get a family and start a business. Okay. But normally we did make an elif. But what if the elif and print did not exist? What would that result? It's it. Start a business. See, this is normally what conditional statements are for. We will get into even more advanced part of these later on. For now, this is the basics of conditional statements. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please help us get 40,000 subs by the end of the year. We are 99.25% finished. Means we are almost around 39,700 subs there. Please help us reach that and follow for more videos.